Hi, this is David, technical trainer at Robotiq. In today's video, we'll do a quick overview of the Robotiq plugins on the Fanuc CRX cobot. First, assume that the TCP and payload are set correctly and that the plugin is already installed. If you don't know how to do that, check out our other videos or our support website. Start by opening or creating a program. In the programming section, you'll see that there are three blocks related to Robotiq. Robotiq Activate, Robotiq Close, and Robotiq Open. Start by activating your gripper. All you have to do is select the gripper that is related to the right slave ID and then press Activate. The gripper will fully open, then fully close, and reset its encoder count. The close and open blocks are used to move the grippers. There are four parameters available: the position at which you want to send the gripper, the speed at which the fingers are going to move, and the force that is applied between the fingers. Each parameter is encoded in 8 bits, so the values vary from 0 to 255. A fully closed position corresponds to 255, and a fully open position is 0. Once the setting is done, press Go to Position to try. If, for example, I set the position to 122, which is halfway, the gripper will partially close. We can also change the speed from 0 to 255. It is the same with force. 0 means very little force, and 255 means full force. To change a gripper slave ID, go to the hamburger menu, then in the plugins list, select Robotiq Change ID. Select which gripper you want to change, and then give it a new slave ID. So here, I'm changing the 1285's ID from 10 to 5. Click Change ID. Then go back to Editor. The new slave ID is now 5. Note that you can also check or uncheck the Wait for Motion Completed checkbox. When it is checked, the gripper will fully finish its motion before moving on to the next block in the program. I'll let my colleague Elias show you an example.
Hello, my name is Elias. We will see together how to use the Wait for Motion Completion feature. So, in the beginning, you activate your gripper, as usual. Then, we can use a move joint as a starting position. We will teach the position by pressing Touch Up. Then, we will use the Close block. And then, after that, we will go at the final position. We press Touch Up. So let's see together how it goes. It's very clear that the gripper waits for the motion to be completed to move to the other point. Let's untick the box. Let's see the difference when we untick the box and reduce the speed. Now it's clear that the robot starts moving when the gripper is still moving. That's how you use the Wait for Motion Completion feature.
In the user manual, you'll find a list of karel codes that can be used in the program. For the advanced users, these can be useful. To use them, go to Programming, All, and then drag and drop the code node. From here, what you want to do is call the right karel code. The grip check, for example, needs two arguments: the register and the slave ID. You can explore those carrier codes in the user manual. So that's how you use the Robotiq plugin on a Fanuc CRX cobot. For more information, don't hesitate to visit our website or contact our support team.